Give thanks to the Lord, Q, for he is good. His love endures forever.
Let Israel say,
His love endures forever. You,
let the house of Aaron say,
His love endures forever.
let those who fear the Lord do say,
His love endures forever. When hard pressed, I cried to the Lord. He brought me into a spacious place. The Lord is with me, so I will not be afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? The Lord is with me, he is my helper be. I look in triumph on my enemies. It is better to take refuge in the Lord than to trust in human zeal. It is better to take refuge in the Lord than to trust in princes.
all the nations surrounded me,
But in the name of the Lord I cut them down.
they surrounded me on every side.
But in the name of the Lord I cut them down.
They swarmed around me like bees, Jay,
But they were consumed as quickly as burning thorns. K, in the name of the Lord I cut them down.
I was pushed back and about to fall,
But the Lord helped me.
the Lord is my strength and my defender.
He has become my salvation.
Shouts of joy and victory,
Resound in the tents of the righteous.
the Lord's right hand.
Has done mighty things.
The Lord's right hand is lifted high.
The Lord's right hand has done mighty things. I will not die but live, and will proclaim what the Lord has done.
The Lord is chasing to me severely,
But he has not given me over to death. Open for me the gates of the righteous. I will enter and give thanks to the Lord.
this is the gate of the Lord,
Through which the righteous may enter. I will give you thanks, for you answered me. You have become my salvation.
the stone the builders rejected
Has become the cornerstone,
The Lord has done this,
and it is marvelous in our eyes.
the Lord has done it this very day.
Let us rejoice today
And be glad,
Lord, save us.
Lord.
Grant us success. Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord. From the house of the Lord we bless you by.
The Lord is God,
Day
and he has made his light shining on us.
with bows in hand I'll
Join in the festal procession.
upsack to the horns of the altar hymn.
You are,
My God,
and I will praise you.
you are my God, and I will exalt you.
Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good.
His love